What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennet, the original student of the game of internet marketing. Guys, I'm super pumped. I'm super excited. I've launched my hot new series. Hopefully, you guys have been in on the series, guys. You've been watching and following along. Welcome to video 5 of how to make money on the internet, guys, working from home on your computer. Guys, let's kind of recap just a little bit what we've been able to cover up until now, guys. I started this video series with an analogy of a baseball diamond, right? And so we talked about, home base being where you guys were going to start. We talked about getting to first base with a marketing system, second base with exposure, traffic. Ultimately, guys, at this point, we talked about you guys getting some results to get to third base. And when you made your first sale, that would actually be a home run, right? That would be a home run. Now, guys, uh, we know, right, that you guys, if you guys have joined me already, you guys already know that you have instant access to what I like to refer to as a done for you automated sales system. And done for you automated sales systems, they're set up right and they're optimized for lead generation and lead capture, products and service presentation, and closing the sales, right? They do all of that stuff for you on automation. I told you guys 80% of your work is done for you when you're using automated sales system. But I told you 10% of that other 10% were things you had to do. And that's when we started talking about, things you should be doing on a daily basis. If you guys have joined me already, you guys already know that you have a plethora, right? Plethora. I heard Steve Harvey use that word, right? Plethora. That's a lot of video tutorials, training, and information, guys, inside of your members area, right? And I told you guys the other day, and I think it was video 2 or 3, we started talking about what you should be doing as you immerse yourself in the internet marketing training. And I ended up, right, recapping and saying, really what you should be doing is doing, learning, and teaching, right? Doing, learning, and teaching. Because as you start to do and you start to learn, guys, obviously you can go out and start teaching right where you are on your particular level, guys. And don't underestimate the power of what it is you're learning and you're going to be able to teach. Because every day, guys, and you guys hear me hammering this statistic home all the time, 200,000 brand new people are coming online looking for ways to make money on the internet. However far you are, guys, you're ahead of those people. So anything that you're able to learn how to do, guys, learn it, will do it, learn it, and start teaching it. How are you going to do that, guys? There are many ways to do it. You guys know I'm absolutely crazy about video marketing, guys. But you don't have to do videos. I just love to do them. I'm going to encourage you guys to step out of your comfort zone if you don't want to. And, go on and get started with some video marketing, right? And I got all kinds of videos up on YouTube. You guys have any questions about anything, you can reach out and ask me. I actually use software. It's free. It's called Screencast, guys. I'm actually using it right now. It allows me to capture the images on my computer, and I can either be in this particular, what you're seeing right now with a video, but my camera's been acting kind of funny, or I can be on the other side of it like this, right? The point is, guys, when you have these automated sales systems set up, you can go out and start making money with your automated sales system anytime you want, guys, because they will do the work for you. But remember, guys, I said that we should be moving toward becoming products of the product, right? So if you get serious about the internet marketing training, guys, you're going to ultimately want to start creating content, right? Creating content ultimately. Why would you want to start creating content? Well, okay, first of all, guys, I want to tell you that I've set up a playlist for you for this brand new series, okay? And I'm going to segue into why you want to start creating content. I set up a playlist, right? So for anybody who finding me for the very first time, thanks for being on the video, by the way, guys. If you find this information of any value, right, make sure to give me a big thumbs up, guys. Share and like this video, or like and share it with somebody that you like, guys, or somebody in your circles of influence. Now, why would you want to create content, guys? Because your automated marketing system, right, when it's all together, when it's all, when you have it all laid out, it's designed to capture leads, right? Now, when you're capturing those leads, guys, there's people coming onto your list. The people that you have strategically positioned yourself in front of, because they're looking for a product or a service that you have to offer that they might be interested in. So they're on your list. So if they're on your list, guys, the best way to create relationships and ultimately monetize the people on your list, your subscribers, is by creating content. We call it content creation, guys. You can do it in the form of videos. You don't have to. You can just write up emails. But here's the key. Make sure that the content that you're creating is something of value, okay? Remember, guys, what business are we in? We're in the lead generation business, guys, but we're in the lead generation business and we're problem solvers, okay? Remember, if we can solve enough problems for enough people, we can solve some of our own. So you don't just want to build a list and start sending people on your list, just business opportunity after business opportunity, and just continually, just hammering them with your business product and service. You want to incorporate some value, right, in that follow-up, right? Because you want to create a rapport with your list. 85%, if not 90, guys, of the people who are on thousands of other people's emails list. And I tell you, I promise you guys, because I get them. And you guys probably get them too. Check your email inbox every day, guys. I got to go delete some stuff out right now. And it's cool, right? I get on people's lists because I want to kind of see what other people are doing. And that's something I suggest you guys do. But when I get on some people's list, guys, my wife just told me the other day, she said, what? I I actually added my wife's name to an email list because I wanted some information. Man, I'm not lying, guys. I know my wife was getting 5 emails a day, right? And that's just too much, right? You don't want to be bombarded with emails every single day, particularly if they're just pitching a business opportunity, right? You want to create some content of value, right? You want to create something that's going to give some value to new people, particularly who are coming online, guys. If they knew, they don't want to be bombarded by all kinds of emails just saying, join my business, join my business, join my business, right? So by doing, learning, and teaching, you can create videos, right? When you talk about creating content, you can start creating videos just like the series that I created right now, guys. And you could turn around and you can start using that content that you build, right, or that you create, to start sending to your list, right? This is one of my lists, guys. It's a brand new list. This is what's known as an autoresponder. We're not going to talk a lot about it in this video, guys, because I don't want you guys to get overwhelmed. I don't want you guys to get out of sync. If you guys have joined me in any of my digital marketing businesses where the training's already there for you, hopefully you guys have seen information where we talk about the autoresponder, or some of you guys, I don't know how advanced you are, you've gone through that training already, okay? I'm not going to get very deep in the training that I'm doing on these videos because I want you guys to get deep into the training inside of the training that you have access to. But I'll tell you that when we talk about the autoresponder and content creation, guys, they're synonymous with each other in terms of you being able to start creating content that's going to be of value to your subscribers, and you can start corresponding with them, right? Creating that rapport, right? Building relationships with them that way, right? So this is why you want to start creating content. Now, guys, when we talk about content, right, you guys already know, I think I just went over a little over 1,000 videos on YouTube. I can't be sure. Let me check. I can actually check. My computer's acting a little slow, guys. I actually now have, how many videos, guys? I don't know, but I know I got a lot of videos, guys. And you know what? I just love video marketing. So when I first got involved in video marketing, guys, I just started shooting videos, right? Remember, guys, you know, that's part of your personal development, right? Stepping out. Remember? Learning some things you never knew, guys. And you know, just getting out there, immersing yourself in internet marketing training. If you guys have joined me, for those of you who joined, you already know the kind of training that you have instant access to, right? With in any program that you join me in. And again, guys, when I say I'm moving in a different direction, now I want people who are hungry. I want some true future students of the game internet marketers, some people who are really serious about creating a skill set that they can go out here and use, guys. And guess what? When you create that skill set, nobody can take it away from you, guys. Nobody can take it away from you. That's knowledge. Knowledge is power, guys. The only thing I'm interested in doing now is sharing this information with as many people as I possibly can, because it's very empowering. And when you think about the cost of it, if you're worried about cost, and I have to say this, it's peanuts compared to the actual value that's going to be delivered to you guys when you're a part of anything that I'm doing, because the training is second to none, guys. I've teamed up with some of the best, smartest internet marketers on the internet, and they may not be the biggest earners, guys, but they're dedicated to what they do. They're in it to win it, right? And they're going to give you, you know, with me and the internet marketers that I've teamed up, we're going to give you the training that you need. Unlike myself, when I first got started spending thousands of dollars, right, for a lot of stuff I couldn't even use. And now, guys, it's all in one place, right? Whatever you join me in, that training is all in one place. It's condensed. And the videos take you step by step in terms of, I did a video the other day. I showed you guys how I'm able to rank my videos on YouTube. That's not even the tip of the iceberg in terms of the training you have. But I'm getting off track, so let me get back. Talk about content creation, guys. This is content creation at its finest. Do you have to get out here and do over 1,000 videos on YouTube like me, guys? No, you don't. You don't even have to create videos at all, guys. But you can create content. Let me load a few more. You can create content, right? And you can do that just by writing up an email that's got some value to it. So you can Google anything, right? For the people who are coming onto your list, right? You want to start, you know, providing them with content. If you get out here and you generate your first 100 leads, guys, that's something to be proud of. That's something that you can write an email up about and send it to your list, okay? And they will appreciate that, because if they don't know how to build a list, right, and they don't know how to capture leads, and you show them, right, hey, here's my capture page, this is what I've done, right, this is how I built my leads. You know, I did a video on YouTube. I bought a solo ad. I was able to get myself 50 leads on my list. That's valuable information to some people. Some people don't have a clue as to how to do it, particularly brand new people. So you want to be creating content. Now, again, I'm just going to be touching on little tidbits of information for you guys who have not yet joined, so you can just get a taste of what you're going to be privy to, guys, and have instant access to when you do join, right? Now, listen up, guys. I'm going to end this video by saying this. Whatever you decide to get involved with, guys, if you're not involved with anything yet, then fine, right? But whatever you decide to get involved with, make sure, guys, that it has the type of internet marketing training that's going to teach you a skill set that you can carry anywhere you go, guys. And the beauty about digital marketing, guys, is the fact that it's digital. I was out today. This is actually the third video I did today, guys. I shot this entire series. All the videos you see up to now, guys, I almost shot everything today. I was at lunch over at the Cineplex, and then I think I was somewhere else. I don't know. I was a couple of places, but anyway, I did, you know. And that's the thing about a digital marketing business, guys. You can shoot a video here, there. You can talk. You don't have, you know, you don't have to be behind the screen. It's just so many things you can do. But that 10% of what you need to be doing now, guys, that's it. The other, you're done for you sales systems will collect leads for you guys. It will do the business presentations for you. It will close the sales for you. And while that done for you sales system are doing those things for you on complete automation, right? Dive into the internet marketing training that you now have instant access to, guys. Start learning start teaching yourself, right? Start doing, start learning, start teaching, start creating some content. So as you build a bigger list, or as you build your list of subscribers, people coming onto your list, you can start developing relationships with them, building rapport with them. And ultimately, guys, people will get to know, like, and trust you, and cha-ching, right? This is how business is transacted rather. And it's one of the best ways to do it, right? So guys, I want to go on and close out. I want to remind you guys that the playlist, I just finished putting the playlist up. I'm only going to do a couple of more videos in this series, guys. Remember, in this video, in the YouTube video description area, guys, you will find the link if you guys want to get on my list and you want to join me in this opportunity where I'm going to be giving you guys all the training that you could possibly need to get out here and start doing your own thing, guys. Go ahead on, click the link below in the YouTube video description area, guys. And let's get you guys started. Let me say this too. Two things. You guys need me for anything, guys, don't hesitate to reach out, right? Text and or email me. Just make sure you put question for Marlon in the subject line. Also, I got a winner for the contest that I did the other day, guys. On my next video, I'm going to announce the winner. I think it was the 101st person that came onto my list. I had to go through it and double check because I got different people coming onto different lists. So when I look inside of my contact manager, I got to make sure that it's not any, I have to make sure it's the right person. But anyway, when I do, guys, I'm going to announce that on the next video. That's $10 paid directly to your PayPal account, the 101st person. I'm going to make sure I double check, count the numbers up right. And for whoever you are, you're the 110 person. I got over 110 people on come onto my list that day, and I'm going to make sure that I'm going to not only call you out, right? I'll just use your first initial and last name, but I'll also email you and I'll deposit that $10 directly into your PayPal account, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, if you found this of any value, make sure to give me that big thumbs up, guys, okay? Like, share with this video with somebody, right? Somebody. Share this video with somebody, okay, guys? Anyway, I'm out of here, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennet, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video.